See, if I can do it, you can do it too. If I can do it, everybody should be able to do it. Hi! Want to open a beater box together? Let's do it. I'm SB Mitch. You can follow me on the Twitter and the Instagram at the handle on your screen right now. Below that is my website. It's called Ransom Note Sneakers. The website address is ransomnotesneakers.com. It updates every Friday with shoes from these boxes and previous boxes. Just updated last Friday too, so we're opening a beater box today on a Sunday. Because why not? This box is from Sole Supremacy, which is a shop in the Bay Area of California that has a closed members-only beater box program, unfortunately. This box was $650 plus $40 to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois. Italian beef. For a grand total of $690. These boxes are priced under market, so there's a really good chance to make some money, so follow along with Clarence. It's gonna be letting you know how much each shoe is worth on the secondary market, and then we're gonna break it down at the end of the video to show you how much I paid versus the market value to see how much money there is possible to be made, because that's how these things work. Let's open the box. Friday's box had some cleats in it, so this one makes me a little nervous. Maybe cleats sell. I don't know. I mean, I don't play football and I'm old, so. Cool, we're open. There's some loose shoes in here. Let's grab those out first. First up is one of my least favorite models that everyone seems to love. It's an Air Jordan 8. This is the Bugs Bunny Air Jordan 8 from like 2015 or something like that. Maybe it's sooner. It's in pretty good shape. Not much heat, not much toe box creasing. A little bit of wear on the bottoms. The reason I don't like 8s is because they just look super bulky, and this like fuzzy emblem thing on the tongue is just kind of weird to me. Yeah, I don't know, pretty good shape. Not like any damage to the paint or anything, so just no box, and it is a size. What size is that? I didn't even say. It's a size 9. So that's a really good size, decent colorway, pretty basic. Air Jordan 8 Bugs Bunny in a size 9 is your first shoe out. There's another one here. It is a worn pair, but it's in pretty good shape, just needs to be cleaned up. It is a size 9. This is a collaboration, one of the first collaborations, not the actual first, but a collaboration with Nike SB and Air Jordan, and an Air Jordan 1. This is the XIII. I don't even know if I'm saying his name right, but it's an Air Jordan 1 SB. You can see it's an Air Jordan 1 silhouette with Nike SB branding on the tongue. AJ1 SB on the back here. I don't know if the light is gonna let it show up, but it's supposed to have a translucent outsole, but it's been worn to the point where it's dirty and you can't see it, but I mean, most of the stars are still here. It doesn't look like this person actually skated them, which is cool. It's this like kind of greenish looking colorway thing. It's a really nice shoe. I don't know what the market is on these, probably like 150 to 200, but it's in really good shape, just needs a good cleanup. So size 9, Air Jordan 1 SB, XIII. I don't know if I said his name right, but cool, I've never actually seen those in hand. The leather's not that great, not gonna lie. Everything else has a box. Let's take this first shoe out. It's an ADIDAS Ultra Boost, an Ultra Boost Uncaged W in a size 9.5. Probably dead stock. No, it's not, but it's the Uncaged. Some kind of grayish colorway. The only support is really on the heel cups. A little bit of outsole discoloration on the Boost, a little bit of wear on the bottoms, but it's just a basic Ultra Boost shoe without a cage. There's nothing really more to it. Boost is arguably one of the most comfortable technologies you can put on your foot, and why not? I don't know if there's any market for these, but these are in pretty good shape. They have the original box. They just need a good cleanup, so size 9.5. I think that's 9.5 W. Ultra Boost Uncaged. Ultra Bouge. Got a Doernbecher Freestyle box, that's pretty cool. It's a size 3.5 youth. Air Jordan 13, this is the Air Jordan 13 Doernbecher. Cool, and it's a dead stock pair. Lace bag is still attached. So this is from 2000 and what? This is from the 2015 Doernbecher line. It's an Air Jordan 13. So these were actually designed by, let's see, John Charles. His diagnosis was Crohn's disease. He loves the Air Jordan 13 apparently, so that's what they do is the Doernbecher Children's Hospital based out of Portland, Oregon, collaborates with patients of theirs and makes these really, really cool, really, really inspiring shoes. And there's just little hints of John all over this shoe. But let's talk brass tacks here. It's a size 3.5. It is dead stock. That's a good thing going for it. So I don't know what the market is going to be on these. This is actually a really nice shoe for a Doernbecher. A lot of them are kind of hit or miss, but this is a really cool one. So size 3.5 youth, Doernbecher 13. Nice. Very cool. It's a really good program. I like what they're doing there. Next up, it's an Air Jordan 1 Retro 95 TXT in a size 12. So it's an Air Jordan 1 that looks like an Air Jordan 12, I guess. Like it's got the 23 on the back here, translucent outsole, and patent leather on the toe box. These are worn very lightly though. Man, that's really weird. It looks like a mixture of an Air Jordan 1 and an Air Jordan 11. Interesting. Don't know the market on these, don't know what they're doing here, but A for effort, I guess. Size 12, Air Jordan 1 Retro TXT. I think I've never seen that before. Another Air Jordan 1 box. No, it's not. Air Jordan 4 Retro Metal. It's another cleat. It's size 12. This probably came from the other person that had all those cleats in the last box. Jordan 4. This looks like the Oreo. Nah, it's not Oreo because it's not a speckled midsole, but it is a black and gray colorway. It's got the leather heel tab, so it's very similar to the Oreo, but it is a dead stock pair and it's in size 12. The retail on these was $135. So I'll probably sell them for $135 because, I mean, someone that needs these for school or for football, I mean, why charge more on that? So there you go, size 12, Jordan 4 cleat. Looks like the Oreo colorway. It's pretty cool. Two more in here. They look like countdown pack boxes. So we first have up a, no size on it. It's a half pack of a Jordan countdown pack. US 9, and I think these are dead stock. Yes, this is a completely unworn pair of an Air Jordan 4 from the 2008 countdown pack. This is the BRED 4. Got the Jumpman on the heel tab. This is from 2008, so it's got some years on it, but it looks like it's in really, really good shape for being such an old shoe. A little bit of fogginess on the air unit, which is gonna happen with older shoes, but unworn. A lot of people love this shoe, so no complaints there. Jordan 4 BRED from 2008 countdown pack release. Wow, dead stock condition too, that's pretty cool. With the original half box. So then this might be an 18 or a 19 or something. What is it? Doesn't say. It's another countdown pack half box. And this is actually a good one. And this one's dead stock too. What size is this? 7.5, so not the greatest size in the world. This is the Air Jordan 5 from the countdown pack in the fire red colorway with the 23 on the side panel here. Cage discoloration, tongue discoloration, as you can see. Outsole discoloration too. But it does have the original lace locks, that's what they're called. Weird size, but this is probably one of the better ones to get, a 4 and a 5 from the countdown pack. I mean, granted, it's 11 years old, but still really good to get. So 7.5, Air Jordan 5, fire red, countdown pack colorway. Interesting. There you go. And that's a $650 Sole Supremacy beater box. Let's go through it and give it a grade. Hey, grade time. Condition, sizes, value. Let's do condition. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 pairs of shoes in this $650 Sole Supremacy beater box, and 4 of them are dead stock. 2 of them have no boxes. I mean, 4 dead stock out of 8, that merits a pretty good grade. Condition on this box, we'll give it an A-. Sizes, we have 9, 9, 9.5, 3.5 youth, 12, 12, 9, and 7.5. Pretty good. 9 is probably the best size to get, and there's a lot of 9s in here. So sizes on this box, B+, pretty good. Value, I think this box has the same, if not better value than the $725 one we opened on Friday. So the fact that I put less money into it and I'm probably gonna get the same amount or better back speaks a lot. So value on this box, we'll say about an A- as well. So the grade of A- for condition, the grade of B+ for sizes, and the grade of A- for value. This $650 Sole Supremacy beater box gets a letter grade of A-. So I haphazardly gave this box a grade of A-, but hey, we gonna make some money on it? Let's find out right now.
Big dogs!
Man, this $600 range is so unbeatable. 5, 6, 700. That's the way to go. Appreciate you taking the time to watch. If you're interested in any of these shoes, they'll be up this Friday on my website. So, 5 days from now. That website is called ransomnotesneakers.com, but the box from last Friday has all those shoes up there. Check that out if you want. Sign up for the e-newsletter that I don't ever send out. Appreciate you taking the time. Have a great rest of your day. I will see you probably this week with some kind of video. I don't really know. Till then, take care of each other and remember to treat people the way that you want to be treated. Okay, see you later.